now. Keep him there. Godzilla will eventually come. We're waiting for the big one. Who's the big one? I can't tell you. You aren't classified for that in Monarch yet. So I would chill out and go check on the creature and take as much energy as you can from it so we can start upgrading on Mechagodzilla. Okay, boss. All right, get out. How's our little guy doing here? He's doing good. We just found him from where King Kong ripped him apart. Somehow we managed to get his skin back together. Can take all the radiation you want. Nah, I don't want that. I want him to be alive. He could help fighting alongside Mechagodzilla. Just take some energy, put it in Mechagodzilla. Put some more energy in him. It's over for Godzilla and King Kong and Ghidorah and Scylla. It's over. It's over. So, you sure about this? I'm positive. Mister. Oh, I haven't got your name yet. Ludwig. It's my last name. Just call me by that. So, what are we gonna do about the What was that? Come on, Mr. Ludwig. Get in. Thrust. Any idea what that thing was, Mr. Ludwig? I do not. It looked like a flying bird. I didn't get a look at it. It was most likely Ghidorah. It's always Ghidorah. It's flying. Okay. Ghidorah. I don't know anything about what these creatures look like or anything. I've just seen Godzilla and I've seen him, and I can't talk right now. I'm just shook by that. I've seen people get burned down there. We are going to classify that thing, and we will kill it.